In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Progressive Insurance online or via app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect so you can get your payment done quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and go to the page dedicated to paying Progressive Insurance online. This page acts as your starting hub. It pulls everything into one place so you don't have to hunt around for links or instructions. Once you're there, click on the section titled How to Pay Progressive Insurance Online or via App. This is the overview that sets the stage for both methods. It will help you understand at a glance what's covered and the options you have, whether you prefer a desktop browser or your phone. Next, select the detailed guide labeled Here's a Step-by-Step Guide on how to pay your bill with Progressive Insurance Online or via mobile app, along with key payment tips and things to look out for. This expanded view is useful because it not only walks you through the process, it also explains small details that can save you time, like what information to have ready and how to avoid common pitfalls. Now click on the How to Pay Online section. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to have your policy number available along with your preferred payment method, such as a debit card, credit card, or bank account. Take a moment to make sure you have a stable internet connection and that you're in a private setting, especially if you'll be entering payment details. From there, choose the option that takes you to Progressive's website and log into your account. Confirm you're on the official site by checking for the secure lock icon in your browser's address bar. Sign in with your credentials, then follow the on-screen instructions to make a payment. The site will guide you through selecting your policy, choosing a payment method, reviewing the amount, and submitting the payment. When you're done, look for a confirmation screen, and if available, save or email yourself the receipt for your records. If you prefer to pay on your phone, the flow is similar in the Progressive mobile app. After you sign in, you'll see prompts that mirror the website experience, enable notifications if you want reminders about upcoming due dates, and always keep your app updated for the latest security fixes. That's it. You've navigated to the guide, opened the detailed instructions, selected the online payment path, and logged in to pay securely. If something doesn't load, try refreshing or using a different browser and reach out to Progressive through their official support channels if you need help.